Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user access with Cisco easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify user access with Cisco devices, first, connect to your Cisco device via console, SSH, or Telnet. Once you have access, enter your credentials to log in. After logging in, you will be directed to the command line interface. To check user access, you can use the Show Users command. This command will display the current active user sessions. Next, utilize the Show Privilege command to verify the privilege level of the current user. Privilege level determines the access rights of the user. To check access control lists, use the Show Access Lists command. This will provide information about any configured access control lists. To view configurations specific to user accounts, use the Show Running Config command. By examining the running configuration, you can see the user settings that are currently active. If you want to check user group memberships, you can use the Show AAA User command. This displays details about users and their associated group memberships. For a more detailed analysis, use the Show AAA Authorization command. This will provide you insights into the authorization policies applied to users. Finally, if you need to modify user access, use the appropriate configuration commands. Ensure to save your changes by using the write memory command or copy running config startup config. This process allows you to effectively verify and manage user access on Cisco devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.